Hey everybody, you're watching highlights from Hammertron Prime, who played Hexagon Offense and Flexagon Defense at the 2019 New Zealand Mixed National Championships this weekend. They started training Hex and Flex at the beginning of this year. They came 8th last year and 14th the year before, and this year they had an amazing run to win bronze medals, coming 3rd. They've been training Hex Offense and Flex Defense since the beginning of 2019, and in this video I'm going to break down some of the play they had in the group stage. In this analysis I look at how controlling your balance after you catch the disc, combined with good shape from your teammates, can make the most of the number of options that you have as threats when playing Hex Offense. If you want to see the full footage, you can see the group game, the semi-final and the exciting 3v4 linked in the description below. Huge congratulations to Hammertron Prime, and I hope you all enjoy this video.
Hammertron have done it! Bronze for the hometown! It's prime time! In their best result ever! Those deep players like Lucas Wilcock to pick up.
Yep. So Hammertron now, they're it's give and go. It's hard.
It's up, and Tim with a read. Tim.
This clip shows Hammertron doing something they do really well on offense, which is the continuous give and go moves. Vaughn Wilson releases the disc quickly and weaves between defenders, getting his shoulders in front. When he gets the disc back, he finds his balance quickly and is able to scan the deep space for options. Two things I'd like us to focus on here. One is Wilson's balance, and the second is the shape that his nearby teammates are making.
Tim with a read. Tim.
This illustration shows how Wilson's centre of gravity and pivot point move across the field, and exactly where the disc is during these moments. He brings his centre of gravity back over his pivot foot before stepping out to make the deep throw. The big advantage with this technique is that he has the potential to accelerate out in any direction. This works well with the second thing I'd like to point out. In order to sustain their flow, Hammertron quickly moved to make good shape near the disc. In this example, Wilson has a free deep cut to throw to, but if he didn't, then the shape that his teammates are making means that the flow that they've created can be sustained because they have multiple options. This shows the depth and potential of Hammertron's offense.
It's up, and Tim with a read. Tim.
Hammertron feel the pull really nicely in this point. They have good shape as the defenders arrive, meaning they can get the disc moving. The deep cut is well timed and with good separation, but the defenders have sagged off, making the throw a bit harder. This means that there are more free players behind and around the disc, which Hammertron don't hesitate to utilise to move the disc around at the back and generate flow. Wilson is looking for the return pass every time he releases the disc, and he's not breaking flow by holding onto it for more than 3 seconds. The score comes when the deep defender is split by threats being on the near side and the far side of the field, a really well timed cut and a safe catch under some pressure from the defense. Having multiple options around the disc means that it's easier to generate and then sustain flow. In this point, which is the final goal in their group game, the defense never get a chance to set, and there's always multiple options near the disc. As soon as it looks like flow is going to stop, the players focus infield and laterally, and the benefit of these players maintaining their spacing and holding good shape is fully realised. Most of these clips have been centred around Vaughn Wilson dribbling, but this isn't the only way that multiple options around the disc can be used to generate flow and to create goals. In this point from Hammertron's semi-final, you can see the disc moving all around the field. It goes into the middle of the hex, it bounces out to the side, it goes around the back. Every single player on the team touches the disc in this possession, which consists of 10 passes in just 22 seconds to create the goal.
He's tall, he's eating it up! There goes the Tron train, choo-choo!
Right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Congratulations again to Hammertron Prime for coming 3rd. That's a fantastic result, and I'll see you again soon.
He came from a soccer background, so that sort of spatial, moving, dribbling has translated really nicely from that back.